Hey everyone, this video is about installing the Atom on Windows. So here I will tell you that how you can install that one and some important files required for programming in editor. Now first of all, just go to Google and write there Atom and click on the first site, that is atom.io, and you will get the original website for Atom. Now here you simply find the option to download the file. So this is, I just want to show you the file or website of the Atom. But you do not require to download this one. Just after the videos, in the editor link, you will find some resources there, which contains the Atom setup. So you need to download that one. I will tell you the reason for downloading this one, not this one, in a while when we are installing this one. So just install that one and you will get setup like this one. That is very simple. You just need to click on the resources present there and click the Atom file. So it will not take a while and you will get this setup. Then just double click that one. And then you do not require to do anything. The Atom will install all the files automatically by itself. There is nothing like changing directories or setting up anything. Just double click and it will start to install. So you get this one here. And there Atom is being installed. It will launch once it's done. So you do not require to do anything. That's why I have taken the Atom, because it's very easy in everything. So just let me wait it one to install, and I'm pausing the video for a while. Now just after the installation is completed, you will get a shortcut like this one, and on clicking which you have an interface like this one. So this is what you are going to get on your display, and this is our editor Atom. Now here we have few files regarding file, view, selection, find packages and all these. Then we have this sidebar which contains the information about the files present on directory. Then we have these three pages on the front end here. Now they are of no use right now. This welcome, elementary constant and this welcome guide. Now this is what we have our editor. And you can also hide this sidebar just clicking here and again view that one. Now if you click here, you will not find any option to write anything. So how we can write here? So that's very simple. Just go to file. You first need to create a file there. There we go with the untitled. And when you write the code here like print hello, this will be very basic, just black and white text here. Because that file doesn't contain any extension. Like this is simply a text. Now if you want to create this one a Python file, you need to again go to file, save that one file as, here I am saving on the desktop, save with name 1 or simply first .py. For Python files you need to write there .py. This extension is for only the Python files. Now when you click this one save, you get here colorful letters, that is functions denoting here green, then we have text yellow, and you can now simply write the code here and just make that save, or whatever the change you will write there like print say hello world. Now just go to file. Now you did not require to save that one again like save as, you just need to click on save, or you can simply press Ctrl S, that is Ctrl plus S denoting save. Now this is all about the editor, that how we can write the code there. You will learn to write different kinds of code and very big codes also in the videos regarding the subjects. But now our subject is just learning the editor. Now a point here comes, how can I run this file? And that is very simple. You can just go to command prompt and run that file, but not much efficient because we do not require this thing like again write the code, save that one, go to command prompt and run that again. We require something more efficient, and for that one here we have this terminal. And as I have told you in the introduction, that a good editor is something that have space to write like this one and something that can run our program, and that thing is known as a terminal. And here we have that one, this plus symbol. I know right now you are not getting this plus symbol because we need to add this one here. I just need to show you that how it works first, then how we can install this one. So this is one. After installing this one, you will get on your atom in the left bottom corner, and when you just click this one, a new terminal opens here. That will be just like command prompt. You can move to directories, you can get out of the directories like cd space ... There I am out of the desktop. Now cd desktop, there we go. And you can also run these files just first .py. But again, now if you just still press enter here, maybe it will work, maybe it will not work. Depends on the Python in your command shell. So never forget to write there Python and then first.py. Hit enter, you will get the output hello world. So this is how you can run your codes without going to command prompt again and again, because you have an inbuilt command prompt here in this one. Now let me move to how we can install this command prompt or simply the terminal in our editor. Now that is very simple, but it actually depends on the files installed in your computer. Now let me see that how we can do that one. So first method to adding this terminal I'm going to show here is the very simple. You can just go to packages, in that go to settings view, open that one, and you will find these different options there. Go to install, that is in the last, and there you will find different softwares here. And why this software in this editor? Because Atom is something, it supports third-party applications, like you can add whatever you want to in Atom. Let me show you some of these things. Like I want to add terminal here, so you can just simply write terminal and packages. There you will find different of the terminal here, wiki terminal, terminal tab, terminal plus, and a lot more here. So you can add any of these, whatever you like, and mostly all of these are completely same. So the one I'm going to prefer is Platformio IDE terminal. Search for this one, packages, and you will find this orange color alien type squirrel. So you will find like this one, like the second one. You will have an option to install this one. You just need to click there, install. There, searching failed. Now what I'm telling you, you just need to click install. It will take at least 10 minutes. After that one, you will get interface like this one. 3 options. First one, settings, uninstall, disable. I have already installed this one because it takes a little time. And this step is very easy. You just need to click on install. So there we go with that one. And after that one, you will have the terminal just like me. Now few things regarding this one. First, if you are using the updated version of Atom, like the one I am going to provide here in the module, just after this video you will find a file containing this Atom setup, and this one is an old one. The reason for that one is the new editor file will always contain some issues regarding some applications, like the one may contain some issues regarding the terminal or anything. So I did not want that you get some error there. That's why I am providing an older version of Atom, that is 1.39 at this time, and the current updated one right now is 1.40, one after this one. So I'm just having the last one updated. Also, even if you are working in 2020 or say 2021, like 2 or 3 years after this one, then also don't even worry about this thing, because I will update the Atom file time to time so that you will not get any error installing that one. Now the reason why I'm getting you familiar with these issues here, because when I have given the course for the reviews, and students are getting some issues regarding the installation of Atom in their computer, because their computer is not properly installed with Python. So I'm listing here all the possible errors they are getting. So first one is the one that I have told you about, the version of that particular Atom. After that one, second is something like getting installation error in terminal. So what to do in that case? So first method I have told you. Second one, you can just go to the Atom site, packages. There just search platform UID terminal and you can find the same there because they are updated in Atom from this website. Platform UID terminal, and you can just click and install that one in your computer, and this one is same like installing there. And still if this also not works in your computer, let's move to third method. Here we have the third method to install this one, and this is used when your computer is like it did not have APM commands and like installation default commands. So in that case also, don't get panic about this one, because we are going to be programmers, and programmers are something that always solve the issues. So what you need to do here, just go to Windows, write CMD again for command prompt, and there in the command prompt just write this line, APM install platform UID terminal. So you can also just copy this one, command Control C, Control V, and there we go. Now when you hit enter, you will get this one installed in your computer. Like just I pressed enter, it will take a little time and then start installing, and then again just 10 minutes to install in your editor. Now this is the third method, and it started installing. So I'm cancelling this one right now because I have already installed that one there. Now 90% of you have already installed this one terminal at this point here in this video. But if still you are getting some errors, then I'm going to again take a concept here for those who are getting issues regarding the terminal. Those who have installed that one can skip the video from there. Now let me move to those who are getting errors. Now the error in their computer is a fault of this command, APM. And you are getting something like APM is not recognized as a batch file or internal or external command. So in that case, go to command prompt, there we go, and there just write pip install APM, hit enter, and it will get installed in your computer. So I have already installed, that's why it's showing requirement already satisfied, but it will take just a minute there. Now cancel the command prompt and make sure you are closing this one, and then go to your PC, and in that one Windows C, search there APM. That is, I have already searched there because searching always takes time. And in that one you will find this file, only APM, not apm.sh or any of these kinds of setting file, just a blank text file with name APM. Right click on that one, open file location, then you will get this location there, and that is actually in your Atom. Now copy this whole, just Control C, and now again go back to your main screen, right click, properties. Now you can cancel that one also. Now follow these steps carefully, go to advanced system settings, and the reason for the error you are getting is because your command terminal is not working properly fine. It's not getting the path variables, and for that one we require to update the path variables. Go to environment variables here in the properties, and you will find this window which have users variable for dev and system variables. That is for you, and these are for systems. And in both of these, it's better to change in both of these. Here click on edit, you will find this window there, new, and add a path there that we have just copied. So Control V, we got this one, a backslash, and it may possible this will not work. Then for security, just copy that one again and paste this one here without a backslash. Okay, and that doesn't make any sense, but still if you are not getting the output you will get when you do this thing. Again in the system variables, again go to that one. So here I have actually clicked edit, but that double click also worked there. New, paste that one again with a backslash, one more without a backslash. Okay, again OK, and this one also OK. Now we are done with everything. This is the point at which everyone get installed the terminal in their PC. Now just make a refresh, go to command prompt, and again write the command that we have seen on the internet: apm install platform uid terminal. Copy, paste, and hit enter. So at this point you will get the terminal installed in your computer. So after this one you will not have any error with that one. Now there are few other editors also that did not require this much amount of work to install the terminals in them, but the Atom, why I am preferring this one, because it is the most simplest one for the beginners. If you are a beginner, you will not find any difficulty here writing the codes, because few editors have an interface that is a little confusing. This one has a proper and very simple interface, and this also contains third-party applications, as I have told you. You can use this one for any kind of working, for web designing, for electronics. And the terminal, only thing that will create issue while installing, but I have solved all of these here in this video, so you will not find anything error. And we are done with this one. And if you do not like the Atom or do not get installed even at this point, then you can just ask me the questions about that one. I will solve your query. And for those who did not like this one, can also focus on other editor like PyCharm. PyCharm is the best editor for the Python, but that one has a little typical interface. That's why I have not taken that one in this course, and I have suggested the Atom. Now we are done with installing the Atom, and I hope you get the same output. So thanks for watching, and we will continue with the next editor, that is the Anaconda and Jupyter notebooks, in the next video.